All right, so zenMode.restore controls whether a window should restore to Zen mode if it was exited in Zen mode. So this means that if we open Zen mode and we quit VS Code and we open VS Code again, we will not open in Zen mode, even though we are full screen. If we set this to true and we enter Zen mode and we quit VS Code and we open VS Code again, we are back in Zen mode, right? So, and usually this is what I want to have happened. If I quit VS Code in Zen mode, that means I was focused working on code in Zen mode, and I quit VS Code, which means it's time to do something else. And when I'm back in VS Code, I want Zen mode to be restored because it probably means I'm going to continue doing my work. So I'm actually going to leave the settings set to true.